My name is Shelly Nicholas, and I'm an instructor here at LIM College. I've been teaching at LIM since 2011 across all modalities, including in-person, hybrid, and fully online, all while working in a variety of industries, including sports, entertainment, and primarily within economic development with a focus on small business initiatives. Entrepreneurship and small businesses are my passion, which is why I'm so excited to give you a behind-the-scenes look at my fully online class called Starting Your Own Business. Starting Your Own Business teaches you how to take an idea and bring it to fruition. In the course, we take an executional approach towards starting a business through a variety of hands-on assignments. In the early stages of planning your business, we'll develop your business model, and we'll focus on determining your sales and distribution channels. From there, you'll identify a potential mentor who's working within the industry. You'll reach out to them and connect with them and interview them, hopefully kicking off a new professional relationship. You'll also develop a strategy for sourcing products or manufacturing your own products. You'll create your logo. You'll develop a slogan. You'll put together your palette of brand colors while determining your brand's voice and personality. You'll develop your startup and operating costs. You'll identify how much it will actually cost to open your doors. From there, you'll put together your financial projections, which will show you how and when your business will actually break even. At the end of starting your own business, you'll walk away with a startup portfolio, which includes a bunch of executional strategies and plans to open your business. Additionally, you'll have crafted and practiced an investor pitch. The end customers for my products for my own business are athletes, and I grew up playing competitive sports my whole life. And I really look at starting a business as a team sport. The more coaching and support that you have along the way, the more likely you are to reach your goals. I'd love to be able to support you and help your business idea come to fruition within starting your own business. I hope to see you online soon.